Hello students, one of the important problem you can expect either in section C or D. Here also you have to apply the concept of method of grouping. The given problem has two factors and each factor has three terms of different degree. Look at the expression. The first expression is x cube minus 3x square minus x and into other expression x square minus 3x plus 1. The only difference is here x is a common factor. Whenever some common factor is there, always take the common factor. So you have to take common factor from this. If I take x from this common factor, what is the remaining expressions become? X square minus 3x minus 1 into x square minus 3x plus 1. Now both are same degree, only the terms are different. Clear? Now trinomial. Already I explained in the previous video, trinomial of different signs. So apply the concept of what? Method of grouping. So grouping the terms x into, look at both the expressions, assume the common terms as one value. So here these two are the common value. So put x square minus 3 as, this is one simple example. So x square minus 3x equal to, this is one group. Once again I will explain here, x into x square minus 3x is one group minus 1 and another group is x square minus 3x plus 1. Clear? So here a is nothing but what? X square minus 3x, that is one term, and the remaining terms are opposite sign. Remaining terms are opposite signs. So what is the concept applied? Method of grouping. Now what is the concept of this? A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Clear? So a square. So what is a square? X square minus 3x the whole square minus b square 1 the whole square. 1 the whole square. So what is the value becomes? X into, so x square minus 3x the whole square. If you expand this, x power 4 a square minus 2ab minus 2 into 3 6, okay, 2 into x square into 3x plus b square 3x the whole square minus 1, which is equal to x into x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 9x square minus 1. So what is the final answer? The final answer is x power 5 minus 6x power 4 plus 9x cube minus x. This is the final value of the expressions. So very important, here x is a common factor and these two are similar type, only the sign differs. Always assume like terms as one group and unlike terms as other group, and here one first group is x square minus 3x and the other group is 1 and opposite sign. So convert the trinomial into binomial and then apply the formula for that, because we have identity only for binomial, not for trinomial. So trinomial is converted into binomial and then apply the formula. You can expect in section C or D. Okay, thank you.